Hello folks, this is Aditya Jha from InspiredWise.com and today we are going to talk about the Redmi AirDots. So guys, let's first start with an unboxing for the Redmi AirDots. These come with the case, earbuds and the earphones on the inside with the documentation, and there's no charging cable inside the official box for this. And now let's talk about few other things. So as can be seen, there's not too much on the inside for the box, and it does not come with a charging cable, which is one of the major cons. There's the documentation, warranty, everything in Chinese. And if I talk about the build and design, it's very lightweight. The case has slight matte finish, and if you look at it closely, it's very lightweight, and it comes with Bluetooth 5.0 support, charges fully in 2 to 2.5 hours. The case has a 300 mAh internal battery. It's made of hard plastic which can break, and you can get up to 11 hours of use with the charging case. Now if I talk about few other things, the audio on the Redmi AirDots is slightly louder than the Mi AirDots. The codec used here is SBC. It weighs around 4.2 grams for the individual buds. Latency is quite high. It's not good for intensive gaming. It's quite comfortable to use, and the buds come with 40 mAh battery inbuilt. It comes with different beeps for using it. There's no Chinese voice like the Mi AirDots, so that's one of the pros about the Redmi AirDots. It's cheaper than Mi AirDots, and the build quality has deteriorated slightly. There's micro USB at the back of the case for charging. It comes with double tap for assistant, single tap for play and pause functionality, and it does have microphones. It's IPX4 water resistant, splash proof kind of. There's no dual pairing option. Connectivity is easy when the steps are followed nicely. Sound clarity is good, and the highs were okay, but if I talk about the bass and the mids, they were not that good. And if you're somebody who likes oomph in their music, you won't probably like these. The mic is okay for calls, but not really great or best in class, and the calling experience was average at best. At 50% volume, you can get around 2.5 to 3 hours of battery life, and 0 to 100% charge takes around 1 hour. Right now, the Redmi AirDots retail for a price of around 1200 to 1300 INR on Banggood.com, and I bought it from there. Sometimes in sales you can even get it for slightly cheaper price. For such a price, I believe it's one of the better true wireless earphone solutions out there. It pairs well with almost all of your devices. The pairing process is slightly cumbersome, and if you are using it with something like a Mac, sometimes you will find that the left and right audio synchronization issues happen. But apart from that, I didn't feel too many issues. And if you're somebody who's gonna listen to a lot of music and you are looking for a true wireless earphone solution on a budget, this might be good enough for you. So guys, this was it for this video. In case you like this one, don't forget to smash the thumbs up button and do subscribe to Inspired to Rise for more awesome tech videos like this one. And guys, no matter what you do, stay inspired to rise.